Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins, and in the look forward part earlier on I explained what I thought might happen over the next year. It might have been a bit rambling at times, but I tried my best. However, a few days later, this is now the 17th of December when I'm recording this part of it, we have a new list of coins that are coming out this year from Change Checker via the proclamations that I couldn't find. The 50p's for this year that we know of, one is the Windrush, and we already knew about Dumbledore and Hogwarts School being held over from the Harry Potter series. So those are three 50p's. I think the Windrush one is the one that's likely to be in the annual year set, although I may be wrong, and it may be this last one I'm going to mention, which is the NHS coin. We're due to have a second NHS 50p. You can't say they haven't deserved it with all the amount of work that they've done, particularly over the COVID times that we've just gone through recently. So that's 50p's. There's also a new £1 coin coming out. Now, whether this will be part of the annual set or not, we don't know. Whether it might be in the ceremonial parts of the coin set of the annual coin set, we don't know. But I would imagine the Flowers of the Nation will be one coin that will probably be in the definitive part. Then in the commemoration part, you might have the new £1 coin. We are due to get up to 9.6 million of the first of the 50p's of Charles III on, which of course was the Memorial 50p. At the moment, as of going to this video, there's around about 4.9 million that have been released. Just after his coronation, Charles V will be celebrating his 75th birthday, which is around, I think, is around about six months later. So the coronation's in May, so sometime towards September, October time, we can look for a coin celebrating Charles III's 75th birthday. It will be a £5 coin, and it will have a floral and his cipher on the reverse. I also think in May there will probably be a coronation coin or set of coins. I still think that's true. The last year, or the last part, is to do with £2 coins. There are three known to be released into certainly collector's packs, possibly even maybe into circulation, we don't know yet. First one is the 100 Years of the Flying Scotsman, and it will have a motto around the rim of the coin of "Live for the Journey." The second one is an Edward Jenner coin, which will be an Innovation of Science coin for next year. And the motto around the rim is Edward Jenner on vaccinations, on a vaccine to end smallpox. So Edward Jenner on vaccine to end smallpox. And the third one, which was one that's been hinted for a time, along with the Jenner one, is the J.R.R. Tolkien one. And it's 50 years since his death. And the motto on that one will be, "Not all of these who wander are lost." And that's to do with a quote from the Lord of the Rings, I believe, which is one of his coins. So those are the ones that are earmarked to be released this year. There's no indication that the 25 years of the £2 coin, the 26 coins that were going to be re-released, whether they'll be in for release next year or not. I suspect, not having seen them in this release, then they may not be. I may be wrong, and when we get to 25 years of the actual release of the first £2 coin, which will be in June 2023, the 25-year anniversary, we might see a cut down version of one of the sets. So instead of having all 3 sets, we may just have a selection for 1 set. Who knows? I can't say for sure, although I am very much looking forward to what's going to be happening in the next year. So that's your update. I hope you enjoyed my little rambling before about what I thought might happen. Be interesting now if you want to comment about what I said might happen and what was actually in this video, what was in this release. So from me, until we meet up again, this will be the second video on New Year's Eve, or maybe even New Year's Day. Let me just have a look at my schedule. Here we go. I believe it will be the second one. It'll be a second video of the he says, where are they? Yeah, it'll be the second one. This will be the second video on New Year's Eve. So, having said that, I hope you have a very happy New Year, a very happy New Year's Eve, and I hope that you don't have too much of a hangover tomorrow morning. Until we meet up again on this channel, thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you very shortly. From me, thank you for watching, and bye bye. Ta-da now.